This group just surpassed BTS. Will they replace BTS? Guys, there's a new K-pop group that debuted this month and fans are comparing its success to that of BTS. We all know about BTS's debut, their rise to fame, their global achievements including multiple awards and the titles they hold including many first acts which are going to last till eternity. BTS have made history and changed music industry in a way no one could have imagined. The only K-pop group that made their country change the strict military laws for them. Yes, we can go on and on about their accomplishments, but this video is regarding a new K-pop group which has charted in Billboard and iTunes top charts in just a matter of few days. And because of the level of success they have achieved in such a short interval of time, people are comparing them to BTS. So, who is this group? You'd be surprised to know that it's none other than They debuted a few days back with their debut song No More Dreams, and their leader is a guy called Rap Monster who is being compared to RM. Their fandom is called Bells, and they have their own lie stick called Bell Bomb. If some baby armies didn't caught it yet, then in simple words, it's an inside joke in the fandom, as BTS are going to be on a short break physically, so armies decided to stand their past self, where RM was known as Rap Monster, and they weren't globally recognized yet, so they used their Korean name more. Anyways, it's really hilarious how armies decided to spend the time where their favorite group members are gonna work hard in the military.